Hello friends, welcome to ViralStride. Today I want to talk to you about a condition called fatty liver. Many of you may have already heard of it because it has become extremely common. Research shows that 1 in 3 people suffer from fatty liver, especially in India. Since this disease is so widespread, it is important to know its symptoms, problems, and treatment. Most of the time, fatty liver does not show symptoms. In nearly 80% of patients, it is discovered accidentally during an ultrasound. Some patients may experience pain or heaviness in the right side of the abdomen or nausea due to inflammation. In very rare cases, the liver may become severely damaged, leading to liver failure, fluid in the abdomen, vomiting blood, or tumors. The liver, one of the most important organs in our body, starts accumulating fat. When too much fat builds up, the liver cannot function properly. Fatty liver is strongly linked to diabetes, high blood pressure, heart attack, and stroke. It is usually detected by ultrasound. Doctors may also recommend blood tests, fibroscan, and cholesterol tests. Treatment depends on the condition. Mild fatty liver may not need medicine, but if cholesterol is high or the liver is failing, treatment is necessary. The most important treatment is lifestyle changes. Exercise for 30-35 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week. Make sure it raises your heartbeat and makes you sweat. Even 5-10% weight loss can improve liver health. Avoid sugar, oily foods, junk food, and completely avoid alcohol. If you have fatty liver, get a full checkup to know its severity. In most cases, lifestyle changes are enough. That's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching.